Happy Saturday, y'all. Happy Saturday. I went out and I left home at about 7:35 and just getting home at 6. But it's our past anniversary weekend, so I've been out getting stuff for our dinner. But I went to Rose's and I like this Crystal Geyser water. I'm going to start making my own tea as opposed to spending all that money on tea. I'm going to make my own. I just got to find me a good pitcher with a flip lid. I got, this is something I bought with my money, butter golden for a peach dump cake soon. Dark chocolate fudge, because that's what kind of cake my son wants. And I'm also making one for my pastor because that's his favorite cake. I got Dawn dishwashing liquid. I haven't tried this one. I'm going to try it. It's $2 cheaper than the blue one. I say I'll give it a try. Y'all know I like this with the Persil. These were on sale this week. The sale ends tomorrow on the 24th. These are $14.47 at $3 off, so I say $6. I got the cornstarch because I'm making peach cobblers for tomorrow. I got the Hershey's cocoa for the chocolate cake. I got the Degree deodorant. I got the paper plates. That's for the house. I like the Imperial. Y'all, this was $1.78, $1.98. This is $3.68 now. This used to be back in the day $5.98. This is $10. $10. I could not believe that. Then when I went to Rose's, I went ahead and bought, I got the big number 10 cans, but I went ahead and bought these with my own money because I wanted to make sure that the peach cobbler had some kind of substance to it, not just a whole bunch of crunch and not peaches. And then so I'm going to have, for each steam table pan, I'm going to have a big can of peaches plus a 28 ounce. And I thought these were sliced, but they're half, but all I'm going to do is just take and cut them up. And that's all. I bought 5 of these, actually $1.99. Y'all know in the store, these things are almost $4 each now. But I got these from Rose's. Alright, that's all I have. Not very much. Just getting ready for tomorrow. My pastor's 12th year anniversary at our church. Talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Much love. Bye. Hey y'all, so today is Sunday. It's October the 1st, y'all. It is October. This is the first day of the last quarter of 2023. This year, whoo, flying by. So I got meat pies here. $4.97. So I like to have these on standby if I don't want to cook. This is a brand of ice cream that we like to get. It's called Highland. And look, y'all, it's actually light. I got some more of these pop in your mouth. Great tomatoes, love them. I got my jumbo eggs. They're $1.88 this week. I got some Jiffy cornbread mix. I was just about out. I got Vanderkamp pork and beans. We're going to have, I'm doing oven baked barbecue chicken, baked beans, and beef and rice. I have my lettuce to go with that tomato for a salad I'm going to have with some fish we're having for lunch. I got my 5 cosmic apples for breakfast this week, and I got 1 bell pepper. It's huge, so I just got 1. My son wanted the Pop-Tarts. They were $2.97, so I went ahead and got them because the last time I got them, they weren't on sale. They were almost $5. I got some fish fry. I love the Zatarain's Crispy Southern. I know y'all seen me use the Louisiana, but the Louisiana, for some reason now, it has like, it's almost like an artificial lemon taste, and it's kind of overbearing for me. So I kind of switched back to my Crispy Southern Zatarain's. This used to be my favorite anyway. Y'all see it? They also sell it in a big jar, big container. To go on my chicken, I got some liquid smoke. I got, for my chicken also, I got, in my baked beans, I got some barbecue sauce. I got dark chocolate fudge cake mix. I already have 1, but I need to do 2 to make it a thick cake. These baconettes, fried pork pig skin, if you got 3, they were 97 cents each, so I got 3 of those. My son can have those for a snack. They don't have any carbs. I got my peanuts. I know that's my breakfast. That's all things I got from the Brookshire store. Here at Target, I did a pickup. I got my makeup remover wipes. The only soap I can use, Dial Gold. So I got 2 of those. Y'all, these were like $9 each. So I paid $20 for 24 bars of soap. Sam used to sell it, but you can't find it in Sam's, and you hardly can find it in Walmart. So Target is the only place I could find it. The last time I doubled up on it, they had it on sale, but this time it wasn't on sale. Then I got the Vagisil, the spray. I got 2 of those. I got one of the feminine washes, and I love the pH balance. Those are my 2 favorites. So that's all I got. I'm trying to and I also got some Lipton tea. My son liked the peach, and I got the dyed green. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to hone in on my budgeting skills. So I learned lately that, you know, I was blessed to get a significant increase right when the pandemic started. I mean, like February the 1st, my raise kicked in, and the pandemic was, I think, what, March sometime. But anyway, so I kind of been splurging. So I need to step back a little bit and quit, because it got to the point, it has gotten to the point where UPS, FedEx, and USPS, the postal service, every day bringing something, sending something here. And it's getting to the point to, I have so much overflow to my, even though I sell on eBay, I'm beginning to feel like I'm accumulating too much stuff. So until I can start releasing and selling and getting rid of stuff, I'm gonna stop buying. I really am, because it's just too much. It gets to a point where the return is not worth the investment. In other words, so I'm getting so much to begin to make my space look too crowded, right? So, and honestly, that's the reason why I'm not doing videos on my table, because I got a garment rack full of stuff. I got a tote, and I'm just being honest. I have to replenish. And the thing is about having a garage sale, all of the merchandise, well, 90% of the merchandise I have for sale is brand new. Nobody wants to come to a garage sale and pay, you know, a significant price on things that most garage sales, like brand new Levi jeans. I can't sell them for $9. I can't sell them for $4 or $5. You know what I'm saying? So I really got to start back putting the stuff on eBay. That's it, and that's all. Or selling it some other way. But a garage sale, just like I said, if I go to a garage sale, like I got some suits, people don't, well, they're not new though, so I might could do those. But anyway, I will only have a garage sale on used items. Brand new items, I'd have to do a pop-up store, or I may actually do Poshmark. I'm not sure yet. I'm looking to weigh my options. All right, y'all, I just want to show y'all what I got. Tell y'all happy first day of October. Happy first day of the last quarter of 2024. Whatever your goals have been, you still have 3 months to work on it. All right, y'all. See y'all later. Be blessed. Much love. Bye.
Work is almost over. Summer's getting closer. No time to be sober. Sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it